Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is cauliflower with oyster sauce. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of the ingredients. 16 ounces cauliflower cut into bite-sized pieces. 4 ounces mushroom sliced. 4 ounces onion cut into bite-sized pieces. 4 cloves of garlic minced. 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY ginger infused oil. If you do a search on my channel, you should be able to find it. 3 tablespoons oyster sauce. 1 cup water. We finished the preparation. Now we are ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for the electric stove or medium to high heat for the gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute. The oil is hot. We are going to cook the onion and garlic for 1 minute until the garlic is slightly browned. It's been a minute. The garlic is slightly brown. Now we are going to cook the mushroom for 1 minute until the mushroom is slightly soft. It's been a minute. The mushroom is slightly soft. Now we are going to add cauliflower. Oyster sauce. And the water. To cook for 10 minutes with the cover on until the cauliflower is soft and the liquid is reduced to almost nothing. It's been 10 minutes. I just removed the cover. The cauliflower is soft and the liquid is much reduced. We're going to stir for about 2 minutes until the liquid is reduced to almost nothing. It's been 2 minutes. The liquid has been reduced to almost nothing. It is done. Enjoy.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoyed this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.